Go to Render, then select the file where you want to save your render image. After that, save the render animation in form of PG Mean Images format. Due to this, your process will not be lost. Then give the start and end frame till which you want animation. After that, select the rendering engine to cycles and device to GPU computer. Due to this, your file will render faster and in high resolution. Then click on Render, then Render Animation. See part 2 of this video that how to convert these render images to animation. Thank you for watching.